recognize the bond that exists between Bethany and Paul. When two people promise to love in their hearts to share the adventure of life, it is a beautiful moment that they and all of us who are here today will always remember. Love is the reason we become one. One in hope, one in believing life's wonders, one in sharing the coming years. Marriage is a commitment in life where two people can find and bring out the best in each other. It offers opportunities for sharing and growth that no other human relationship can equal. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is full. Memories of pressure. Commitment is stronger. Marriage understands and forgives the mistakes life is unable to avoid. It encourages new experiences and new ways of expressing love through the seasons of life. The vows you are about to exchange serve as a verbal representation of the love you pledge to each other. For it is not the words which you will speak today which will bond you together as one, but it's the inner sense of love and commitment that you each feel within your souls. Bethany, is it your intention to enter into marriage and to share with each other your joys and sorrows in all that the years will bring? Good answer. I want you to repeat after me. But look at Bethany and marry her. I, therefore, take you, Bethany, to be my wedded wife. In love and in friendship. From this day forward. For better, for worse. For richer, for poor. In sickness. And in health. To love and to cherish. Always. As long as we both shall live. Bethany. I'm Bethany. Take you, to be my husband. In love. And in friendship. From this day forward. For better. For worse. For richer. For more. In sickness and in health. To love and to cherish always. As long as we both shall